Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw numbers. Black color. Kids, the next one is red color. Ultramarine color. The next one is yellow color. And the last one is green color. Kids, today we draw numbers. First we draw the number of 1. And now we use black color. O-N-E, 1. Kids, the next one is 2. T-W-O, 2. And now we draw the number of 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. The next one is 4. F-O-U-R, 4. Now we draw 5. The next one is 6. Kids, now we draw the number of 6. And the next one is 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. Now we draw the number of 8. The next one is 9. And now we draw 10. Now we draw 11. And the next one is 12. T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. Kids, the next one is 13. Now we draw the number of 14. And the next one is 15. Now we draw 16. 17. The number of 17. Kids, now we draw 18 and the next one is 19. Now we draw 20. 21. 22. 23. Kids, now we draw 24. 25 and 26. 27. 28. 29. The next one is 13. Kids, now we draw 31. 32. 33 and 34. 35. 36. 37. 38 and 39. The next one is 40. 41. 42. 43. The next one is 44. Kids, now we draw 45. The next one is 46. 47. 48 and 49. The last one is 15. Kids, today we draw numbers 1 to 15. Kids, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.